Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Libra placements. Okay, so ano ba ang kailangan mong malaman? So ito ang kailangan mong malaman, no? Pagdating sa person mo, sa person na iniisip mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga protection from evil eye, kay love bracelet, kay granter, kay yung ating bago, no? Yung para sa cord cutting, yeah, just message me. Okay, Libra. Libra placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Okay, let's see. Ano bang meron dyan sa person mo? Okay. Kunin natin yung energy. Physical looks. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so okay, Libra, ano bang meron dyan sa person mo? Okay, black or African American. Okay, so sabihin natin may pagka dark, no? Yung kanilang skin maybe. Okay, so what else? Okay, round face. Okay. So, hindi naman po lahat makaka-resonate dito kasi it is so specific. Mga specific yung nandito sa card na to. Okay? So, dagdag na lang to. Yeah. Okay. Okay lang naman kung hindi ka maka-resonate dito kasi meron pa naman tayong tarot na gagamitin. Okay? So, what else? Average build. Okay, so I think hindi ganun katabaan o hindi ganun kapayatan maybe. Okay. So what else? Sino ba tong person mo, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? Wavy hair. Okay, so as you can see, yes, may pagka-wavy yung hair niya dyan. Mapababae, mapalalaki po. Okay? So, what else? Okay. So, 'di ba ang ganda, wavy tapos bald. Okay, so sabi ko nga hindi naman lahat kasi. Okay? So, kukuha lang tayo ng energy or kung anong meron doon sa person, okay? So, yeah, this is collective kasi, okay? So, maraming energy talaga. Kunin nyo lang, ha? Kunin nyo lang yung sa tingin ninyong inyo. Okay? Some of you pwedeng maging vice versa. Pwedeng ikaw to. Okay, Libra, pwedeng ikaw yung pwedeng ganito yung energy mo, like looks mo. Okay, kunin mo lang kung anong sa tingin mo pwede kang makaresonate. Okay? Okay, tooth gap. Okay, so maybe there's this something like significant, no, pagdating sa ngipin, sa ipin ng person, or maybe ikaw. What else? Last two. Tattoo. Okay, so some of them may chance na meron siyang tattoo or pwedeng may balak na magpatato. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? What else? Last. May narinig ako na kanta, Tattooed on My Mind. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam yung song, pero ewan. Okay. Animated eyes. Okay. So, some of them, pwede sabihin nating catchy. Or sabihin nating medyo attractive. Okay, attractive na lang. Or unique yung mata, no? Or sabihin natin yun nga, medyo nakakatawag pansin. Okay, animated eyes. Some of them medyo may pagka-round yung kanyang mata. Yeah, may mga ganyang bagay ba. Okay? Yeah, see? Okay, green eyes. So, pwedeng ganito yung color ng eyes niya. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, Napansin ko lang yung eyes niya. Yung eyes nito kung makikita nyo talaga, sa totoo, is ganito yung color. Okay? So, maybe, pwedeng yung person mo is green eyes, like, yeah. Okay? So, yun, ang akin nakikita pagdating sa physical looks. Okay? So, again, kung hindi ka makaresonate doon, okay lang. Kasi this is, mga specific. Okay? So, tungo na tayo dito sa tarot. Okay. So, Libra. So, who is the person on your mind? Anong meron dyan sa person mo? Anong meron dyan sa kanya? Libra. Who is this person? Okay. The Two of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng fire sign. May gumawa ng decision. Or pwedeng kailangan gumawa ng decision ng taong to. What's with this Two of Wands in reverse? Oh, strength. Some of them, pwedeng pinipigilan nila yung sarili nila na gumawa ng action towards you or decision towards you. Okay, we have here Leo or fire sign. Okay, we have here big Leo placements. Okay, so Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay? Some of them, they're afraid to take risk, no? Okay? Or maybe, hindi sila comfortable sa kung anong dapat gawin. Andun yung hindi din sila sanay sa kung anong gagawin niya. Or sabihin natin meron siyang plano, pero hindi niya alam or hindi niya ganun kasigurado, no? Kaya, andun yung pagpigil or nandun yung parang, oops, ayokong gawin, pero ganyan, no? Parang, yeah, may plano, pero pinipigilan yung sariling huwag gumawa. Okay? Huwag dumesisyon, huwag umaksyon. Andun yung takot, no? Kaya, conflicted itong person. Okay. Some of them, they're closed off. Okay? Closed off. Pwedeng ini-ignore ka nito. Some of you. There's this blockage for some of you. Pwedeng binlock ka or ni-ignore ka, nire-reject ka, ni-neglect ka, whatsoever. Okay? They're not doing anything pagdating sa'yo, Libra. Okay? So, ito yung taong yan. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang situation ninyo? Libra, anong situation nyo ng taong to? Situation. The Page of Cups. Somebody. Sabihin nating this is an energy ng saying sorry or expressing someone's emotion. Okay, the Page of Cups. What's that? May naririnig ako shyness. I don't know. What's with that Page of Cups? Ooh. Oh my. Teka lang. So, sa situation, somebody is sabihin nating nakakaramdam ng emosyon. But they are blocking. Maybe this person, nakakaramdam to ng something like emotion or sabihin natin gusto ka. Okay? Pero hindi niya pinapakita. Okay, some of you merong third party involved, that's why. Or maybe some of them, they're just too afraid to express their emotion. Okay, I don't know why. I don't know. Somebody is totally, sabihin natin, andun yung, dun tayo sa safe. Like, crush ka, gusto ka ng taong to. Hindi lang sila nagiging open pagdating sa emotion nila. Okay, the King of Cups. Who is this King of Cups in reverse? Let's see. Anong meron? Oh, somebody may chance na younger itong taong to. Pagdating sa communication, I think hindi rin nakikipag-communicate itong taong to, Okay? So, kung ka-connect mo or kausap mo itong taong to, like araw-araw, ka-chat mo, no, hindi siya to. Okay? This person likes you, tinatalikuran ka nito, hindi nila ine-express yung feelings nila or emotions nila pagdating sa'yo. Some of them, they're too immature. Okay? They're too immature. Or sabihin natin young, bata. Okay? Like, hindi pa sila ganun ka-open, or maybe takot sila na mag-express ng kanilang emotions. Maybe this is just like their first time. Oh! Yeah. Not the right timing maybe for some of you. Okay, let's see. Iba sa inyo may chance na kaya niya tinatago yan kasi pwedeng isa sa inyo is totally in a connection na already. Okay, that's specific. So ano ba talaga yung emotion niya? They like you. Okay, this person likes you. Meron ditong kailangan mag-express ng emotion. Pero, pinipigil nila yung sarili. Or maybe somebody is shy. Parang ganyan. Okay? Let's see. Anong meron? Pagdating sa emosyon niya, deep down. Okay. The Knight of Swords in reversed. The Moon in reversed. Some of them, alam niyo yung emosyon or yung yung feelings niya for you, alam niyo parang nagfa-fluctuate, like on off, parang ganyan. Hindi siya nagiging consistent. Okay? Hindi siya nagiging consistent. Some of them kasi, the Empress in reverse. Nawawala yung emosyon or nawawala yung kagustuhan pagdating sa'yo. Pero nandun Okay, I don't know, pwedeng nafo-focus lang sa ibang bagay, sa ibang energy itong person na to. So that is why. Okay? Some of them may gusto talagang i-express pero they're too afraid. Okay? The Moon in reverse, this is letting you know kung anong meron. Like secrets, being revealed, something like that. Okay? Para siyang urong-sulong pagdating sa'yo. Kung hindi kayo nakikita ng taong to, gusto kanyang makita. Pero andun yung, ayoko pala. Parang ganun. Gusto kong kausapin si Libra. Pero ayoko. Wag na pala. Parang ganun yung feelings niya for you. Okay? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, ano bang next action niya? Gusto ko munang makita. Ano bang energy niya sa ngayon? Anong energy niya, Libra? Anong energy ng taong to ngayon? Okay. This person is younger. Maybe. Okay? Early 20s. Mga ganyang bagay. Early 20s. We have here the Knights and the Pages. Pages is 16, 18, like that. Okay? Ayun yung energy ng Pages. Nakabaliktad yung King. So, maybe that's why they're immature when it comes to their emotion. It's not like, sabihin nating ready. Okay, nandun pa yung confusion itong taong to pagdating sa'yo, sa emosyon. Okay? So, ano bang energy niya ngayon, Libra? The Two of Pentacles in reversed. What's with that? The Ace of Cups. See? Gusto ka nito, pero dinadrop nila yung feelings, nire-reject nila yung feelings nila para sa'yo or something like hindi nila ganun pinapansin yung nararamdaman nila for you. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng sarili lang din ang focus sa ngayon. Okay? The Ace of Cups, that's self-love, something like that. Okay. So, that is why. Okay lang sa kanya. Some of them, they, single. Some of them. May sabihin natin loner tong taong to. May pagka-loner siya, ha? We have here the Moon, Strength. We have here the Ace of Cups. Yeah, may pagka-loner tong taong to. Like, maybe sanay siya na mag-isa lang, something like that. Or sabihin natin may energy itong person mo na talagang may pagkamahiyain or hindi sila comfortable, something like that. Okay, pagdating sa pag-express, maybe hindi sila ganun like sanay. Let's see, what is their next action towards you, Libra? Okay. The Three of Swords. Okay. Why? Why the Three of Swords? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. They are moved. Okay. So, we have here the Six of Swords at the bottom of the deck. The Hierophant. They're not ready. Okay. Kung meron ditong Libra, kung ikaw nasa isang connection ka, wala tong gagawin. Okay? Wala siyang gagawin. Pero ginugusto ka. Okay? Pero wala silang gagawin. Yeah. They attracted. Some of you, this is like physical. Okay? Nandun kasi yung crush na energy coming from your person. Okay? You're the Seven of Wands. Andun yung energy ng blocking. Okay? Pagpigil sa sarili, nagustuhin ka rin. Iba talaga sa inyo, Libra. Meron kang someone. Okay? Meron kang someone. Yeah. See? There's a lot of kings here. Kings, queens, okay? There's a lot. Some of them, takot sila. Nandun yung takot nila. Pagdating sa'yo, like, takot silang ma-reject. Or maybe, ang iniisip nila is maraming nagbibigay ng attention sa'yo. Kaya baka ma-reject mo lang siya. So, hindi na lang siya gagawa ng action towards you. Yeah. Okay? What to expect? Let's see. Anong outcome? Ngayong November. Okay. Anong outcome nyo? / advice. Ooh. Really? I'm saying, sabihin nating pagsasama. Okay? Ngayong, may chance na magkita kayo nitong taong to, something like that, magkausap, magkasama. Okay? Why the Hierophant? Why the Hierophant? The Eight of Swords. Oh no. Oh no. The Three of Cups. Yeah, this is pagsasama. Okay? Bakit nandito si Eight of Swords? Somebody will give you hints. I think both of you. Okay, both of you gusto ninyo ng something ng pagdating sa energy ng pagsasama, pagkikita. Okay, pero I don't know kung may gagawa. Ito yung parang pauyuhan. Okay. Ikaw, Libra, kung hindi ka gagawa ng action towards this person, ganun rin sila, hindi rin sila gagawa ng action towards you. I don't advise na gumawa ka ng action towards this person, kung sino man to, kung nakaka-resonate ka. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng ang tawag dyan, sitwasyon. Okay? Masasabihan kita ng kung anong dapat mong gawin, kung pwede ka bang mag-reach out or what, kung private to, kung personal reading mo to. Okay? This is collectives. Marami kayo. Okay? And wala akong binabanggit na pangalan, no? Ikaw to, ha? Okay, lumapit ka sa kanya. No, not that. Okay, hindi ganun. This is collective, so hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. Hindi ko masasabi kung kailangan mo ba na mag-reach out sa taong to. In general, let's see. In general. Kailangan ba na si Libra ang gumawa ng action towards this person? Okay, this is ano eh, isipan eh. Okay, isipan. This is, ang tawag dyan? Para kayong, mind games. Okay, let's see. Kailangan ba na si Libra ang gawa ng action or mag-reach out if ever? The 7 of Cups in reversed. The 6 of Cups in reversed. Okay. So, ayun eh, ganun talaga eh. Pareho lang din, no? Okay, so ito yung 5 of Pentacles in reverse and the 3 of Cups. Okay, this is actually energy yan ng reconnection, okay, reconciliation ngayong November. Okay, 7 of Cups in reverse, the 6 of Cups. Kung ikaw, Libra, kaya mong gumawa ng action towards this person na hindi gagawa or hindi magpapa-apekto sa nararamdaman mo, do it. Okay? Do it. Gets nyo? Okay? So, kung kaya mo na sabihin nating blunt, okay? Like, sabihin nating yung walang reaksyon, walang emosyong kahalo. Okay? Kapag nag-reach out ka at lalo na kung nag-reply tong taong to kaya mo bang maging emotionless? O diba? Kaya mo ba yon? Hindi ka ngangal-ngal, hindi ka iiyak or whatsoever or kung ano man, tuwan-tuwa ka. Mga ganyang bagay. Kaya mo ba? Kung kaya mo at hindi ka maglalabas ng emosyon, do it. Okay, and syempre, kung handa ka na hindi replyan ng taong to, kaya mo rin ba yun? So, kung kaya mo, do it. Okay, yun lang ang aking masasabi. Kung kaya mong maramdaman yung parang, parang hindi niya ako pinapansin. Kung kaya mo yung ganun, do it. Mag-reach out ka. Okay? Yeah. Wala namang mawawala, di ba? Yun nga lang, baka ma-hurt ka if ever. Okay? So, advice ko sa'yo, kung mag-reach out ka sa taong to, nandun ka dapat independent ka dapat pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? It's like, okay lang kahit hindi siya mag-reply. Okay? Kung mag-reply man, casual lang. Walang papalabas na emosyon. Walang i-express na emotion. Sana kaya. Kung hindi, don't do it. Okay? Don't. Okay. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo kung may issue kayo nitong taong to, huwag mong gagawin kung hindi mo kayang hindi maglabas ng emosyon. Okay? Malinaw tayo dun Okay. So, anyway, tungo na tayo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces, Libra. This is the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Aries through Pisces. Okay, hang on. One more shuffle. Libra. Okay, Aries. Oh, they want to reconnect. Maybe they like you, they love you, they want a relationship or a connection with you. Si Aries, okay? Feeling a strong connection with you, maybe. Taurus, they're attracted physically. Gemini, they want to see you. They're thinking of you, I guess. Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap nito, they're stalking you. Okay? They find you attractive rin. Okay? Na-intimidate siya actually. Itong si Gemini. Excuse me. So next, Cancer, they're walking away. I don't know why. They're walking away. Okay. Leo, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. Leo, okay, they're stuck. Some of you, itong si Leo, marami siyang gustong sabihin, marami siyang gustong gawin, pero hinahayaan yung sarili nilang hindi gawin, hindi sabihin. Okay? So, Virgo, they want cooperation with you. They want cooperation. Okay. Virgo. Libra. Okay. Some of them, andun sila sa crossroads. Okay? Nandun sila sa pag-iisip. Some of them, they just want to send you a message pero binubura na lang nila or hindi nilang sinesend, something like that. Okay? Specific yun ha. Gusto ka lang i-message pero send na lang ang kulang, hindi na nila ginagawa pa. Okay? Okay. So, Scorpio, they're waiting for you. Okay? Dumarating na sa puntong si Scorpio, parang may pagkasawa na ako nakikita dito kay Scorpio. Okay? Sagittarius, they can't move on. Some of them, wala silang ginagawang action, if ever. Okay, Pisces. So, Capricorn, they want to express their emotions, their feelings towards you. Some of them, they want something, maybe forgiveness or cooperation with you. Aquarius, they're afraid. Some of them, they're angry. I don't know why. Maybe ito nandun na yung pagiging impatient nito ni Aqua. Kasi yung iba sa kanila gusto kanilang makausap, pero hindi ko nakikita na nangyayari yung pag-uusap na to. Okay? Pisces. Okay, there's a lot of drama here. There's drama, there's issue, problems. Okay? He doesn't want any kind of drama. Maybe. Okay? So, parang nilalayuan ka or tinatakbuhan na lang nung Pisces na to kung ano man yung issue meron. Okay? Pero yeah, I think they're waiting sa kung anong gagawin mo. Yeah. Don't do it. Don't. Okay? Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Libra. Again, thank you. Goodbye.